Hello, my name is Branislav Urban, and this is Be Urban Recommends.
Karseell Collagen Hair Treatment with Argan Serum for all hair types and dry damaged hair.
Revitalize your hair with the ultimate duo for hydration and repair. The Karseell Collagen Hair Treatment and Argan Oil Serum work in harmony to restore shine, strength, and silkiness to all hair types, especially dry and damaged strands.
Enriched with hydrolyzed collagen, the hair treatment deeply nourishes and repairs damaged cuticles. The lightweight serum seals in moisture, tames frizz, and enhances shine without leaving a greasy residue.
Whether your hair is curly, straight, fine, or coarse, this combo is designed to work for you.
Packed with essential proteins and nutrients to restore elasticity and prevent breakage.
After shampooing, apply the Karseell Collagen Hair Treatment to clean, damp hair. Massage thoroughly and leave it on for 10–15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Apply a small amount of the Argan Oil Serum to towel-dried or dry hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. Style as desired.